Morning.
Good morning. I smell coffee.
My coffee.
Oh, you're making it. I knew it.
What you having?
Cinnamon toast crunch cereals.
Mmm. All right.
Huh?
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Love you too.
Love you. Bye.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
See you after work at 3 o'clock.
Okay. 4. You gotta leave.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Sorry for that.
3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein.
Good morning. On my way to work. I love to see my son in the morning before I go to work. He's usually sleeping. Besides, like on the weekends, he's up when I leave. Oh. Yeah, that's my coffee running down my floor mats and stuff. Oh God. What a morning already. Got the coffee picked up. Crazy morning. What I was saying was with Ronnie. He wakes up early on the weekends, but sleeps in on the weekend. Oh no, I'm confused. He's sleeping on the weekdays, but up super early on the weekends. That should be the other way around. Sleeping on the weekends and then get up halfway early during the week. But anyways, nice seeing him in the morning. Hopefully today go better in the morning. We'll see what today brings. Yeah, boy. So guys, just got off of work. I'm gonna clean my truck because my son got Lego club tonight. So my wife will get him, but I'm gonna clean my truck out. I've been putting it off, and I can't be putting it off no more. The mess back here. And then at 4:30, I gotta go to the doctor. Not looking forward to that. All right. Here go my big old mess. Name it, I got it. Back here in the back of my truck. I got everything out now. I still gotta put it all back. But this way I can organize it as I put it back. I'm gonna wash this out, and I guess I'll have to let it dry out. I don't think I'm gonna have time to put it all back before I gotta go to the... So it'll be here for when I get back. Unless somebody magically come do it for me. Which I doubt. I'm gonna go through all this crap and get rid of the old stuff that I don't need and stuff like that. Alright, wish me luck. I got the toolbox in my truck, but it's time for me to go to the doctor. I'll finish it when I get back. Shouldn't take that long. I just gotta put everything back in now. Kind of go through all the stuff I don't want or whatever. Looking good so far. Yeah, boy. What are you, water boy?
Oh yeah. Hot or cold?
Cold, man. You make a good water boy. Refill?
Okay, and another refill.
Rotating.
You're supposed to say H2O.
Thank you. Here we go. Let me go finish up my truck before I get too late. I got off tomorrow, but I got to work the weekend again. That sucks. Been missing going out to breakfast on Sunday, so I guess we probably go tomorrow. I hope you can see this. I'm done. Everything put away nice and neat. Oh, what a day. Woo! At least my truck is done. I don't know how much I got vlogged already, but I'm gonna edit this and start to get it uploaded for you guys. Sorry if it's kind of short, but I'm tired. Alright. See you tomorrow. Yeah, boy?
Make sure you like and subscribe and give us a comment down below. Yeah, boy?
Yeah, boy? You know what's tomorrow?
Friday? You have work on Friday?
No, I don't have work tomorrow. We go to breakfast tomorrow. Cause I gotta work on the weekend. Woohoo!
Mommy doesn't have work either.
Breakfast tomorrow. Yeah, boy?
What? Guess
All right.
what else?
What?
Guess.
I don't know.
Just guess.
You pass your test.
That's one thing. Guess what else?
I don't know.
Come on. That's gonna happen on Friday. Okay, you're off work, Mommy's off work, and guess what else?
You off school. Yeah, boy?
Yeah, boy. Breakfast at High Hop. We gotta find maple syrup.
Yep.
We got from Pelly.
Yep.
Yeah, boy.
All right.